Hello there, welcome back. Good evening. It's a brand new week, 14th of December. It's a Monday, and wow, looks like unlike November, December is also in a mood to fly fast. I mean, it's good. Let this year get completed as soon as possible. That's what everyone wants. So, how was the weekend? Weekend was busy. Okay, not hectic, not chaotic, but busy. And the biggest project that was done over the weekend was getting my kids' haircut. And this was something which was due for quite some time now, and there was like a lot of confusion on when we'll get this done. Um, I mean, at times, like it might feel like okay, it's not that big of a work or that priority of a work, but after we got that so-called the religious thing done in the temple a month back, we were still wondering like when to get our haircut done and all the stuff because at one side it was like okay, let's get it done before my cousin's wedding, which was the end of last month. Then we realized that okay, it might not look good, or if things doesn't work out well, then that confusion was there. Then we thought like okay, we'll do it afterwards. But now that the wedding and all the functions and all the Mysore visit and all those things are done, we thought like this is the right time to do it, and we thought like better do it before Christmas, or probably like even better do it before we go out on a trip this weekend. So I had already taken an appointment for Friday, then it got pushed to Saturday, and Saturday, this is in like HSR, which is like far across the city, and this is one place which for sure I have not visited since last decade. I'm trying to be very precise. Like when I was working in my other organization, the organization before where I'm working now, I used to travel on this road quite literally daily. But since I was there, maybe I don't know. I don't think so. I've gone there much, and I know I've gone near Silk Board, but going inside the HSR layout, that's something which I've not done since last probably like a decade. And things have changed drastically. I'm telling you, things have changed drastically in the last 10 years in HSR. It used to be like I would not say it was like very deserted, but not many hotels, I mean not many shops, not many hotels, or not many buildings. They were like, I mean, it's not like you were driving past HSR and you'll feel that it is empty. But now when I go, that it looks jam packed. You have shops everywhere, like all multi-storied buildings and restaurants and shops anywhere and everywhere. And it almost felt like it's like a mini city within Bangalore. And I'm pretty sure this is one of those areas where probably you will not find even a single localite or a single Kannadiga there. It's mostly the, as my wife puts it, the migrant crowd that stays here. Like people from North India or people from other states are the ones who stay here because of how new this area is, how outside it is, and how closer it is to Electronic City and all those stuff. Anyway, I just realized that like you name it, you have it brands. Any single brand for anything that you want, you have shops there. I think every single restaurant chain you find it here, and anything like ice cream stores to restaurants, everything is there. Like it's HSR has literally grown big, and it's like grown massive. And whatever, like fortunate or unfortunately, uh, the salon that we were supposed to visit in HSR, there are only two kids saloon in Bangalore, and one of them, which is there in Indranagar, is closed due to renovation, and they had no clues of opening up anytime soon. So we had to go to this one. We didn't want to take a chance in the regular saloons. So eventually we went. We started towards the saloon in the evening. We left at 3 o'clock, and we were supposed to reach by 4, but we reached by 4:30, and I had already called up that person and told that I'll be late. We went there, and until then my kid was like okay, fine, I'll get the haircut done, I'll not make any galata and all those stuff. But even after going there, she was playing for some time and everything was okay. But the moment she sat on the chair, she just started screaming and shouting and crying and all those stuff. In the very beginning itself, we started getting a doubt whether this will really happen or not, because like she becomes very aggressive, and I think it's pretty common for kids, especially for going for haircut and all. Maybe like I don't know how I was or how I behaved when I went for my first haircut, but she was like fuming. Eventually we somehow managed to get the haircut done. My wife like made us sit on her lap, and then We covered up with the gown and all the stuff. We got it done. We did it in two phases. We gave her a break and then again got some final touch up done and all. Finally, I am happy the way the results came out. Like, I mean, I had a specific look and I know how my kid should look and in what look she looks nice and all the stuff. So I'm pretty happy with the way she looks after the haircut. But yeah, it's not like a drastic change. It's not a makeover kind of a thing, but a first cut is always like something very unique and all the stuff. So that's what happened. So we came back. Like, I mean, we were so tired. We had some food and coffee and all there itself, rather tea. Went to, I think, what, Chai Point. So I had it there and came back, and it was like a long drive because it's almost like 20 plus kilometers from where I stay. So it was like a far across the city. So that's exactly how the Saturday went. I mean, it was like half of the time was spent driving and exploring HSR visually after almost like a decade. Sunday was a little bit different because yesterday we wanted to do some Christmas shopping, and unfortunately, because of like all the cleanup things and at home, all those things, and I mean the usual Sunday cleanup activities that delayed stuff. But eventually we went out. We went out and did whatever we could do in the evening. So it was more of like most of the Sunday, and again I would say today also in the evening was spent for Christmas shopping. So Christmas is just like about a week and a half away. So over the last 3 years we've been celebrating Christmas. For like again kids like all the colorful things and the lighting and all those stuff. So Christmas has become a part of our life now for whatever reason, and we wanted to bring up some kind of like a decoration items, new decoration items, the ornaments and all that stuff. We couldn't get much yesterday when we checked in some places, so eventually went out and got them today in a couple of places. We went all the way up to Shivaji Nagar because I knew a place in Shivaji Nagar where we had bought it a couple of years back. So went there, got some items, and again came back to Sadashiv Nagar, picked up few items there. So all the putting up of the tree starts tomorrow. So my idea is like at least let it be there for at least 10 days, starting tomorrow, which is 15th till 25th. I'll leave it there till the New Year also. So it's mainly shopping for Christmas. But in between all these things, I just realized that I couldn't go for any ride on Saturday or Sunday. Mornings had been a little bit off because of getting up late because of weekend and all that stuff. So eventually, I did something new yesterday. That was like I went for a night ride. I mean, not really a exploration ride or anything. Almost like in the late in the evening, I just took out my bike, went towards Devanalli and came back. It was fun because I usually don't do night rides and all the stuff, especially traveling in the night and all. But this was fun because I knew that I'm well within the city and I'm not traveling anywhere and I'm not straining anything. It was just like I had cleaned up my bike in the morning because the chain had become a little bit messy. So I cleaned it up. So I was like just eager to take my bike out and figure out if the cleanup helped and all that stuff. So went all the way up to Devanalli. There's a specific sweet shop where I've been visiting since last couple of months, and I've been picking up a couple of things from there. So went there, got some avlaki, got some sweets, and came back. It was almost like a 50-kilometer ride, or maybe slightly more than that, but I really enjoyed it. I mean, I didn't vlog much, but I just recorded the ride on my helmet cam. So probably I'll do a voiceover and do some couple of videos for the Creator on Wheels channel later in the night today or maybe sometime tomorrow. So that's how it was. Like I really liked it, but it's not something which I would love to do because of the lighting conditions with the bike, and I don't know. I don't feel comfortable and safe riding in the night because daytime itself things are so risky, but night I would definitely avoid. So that's it. That's it. How the weekend was, how the Monday was. So tomorrow starts with the Christmas tree setup. So I'll come back tomorrow and let you know how the things went, and I'll catch you back tomorrow. So until then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.